Centerline and Centermark Enhancements. There is now a layer option when you do the Centerline or Centermark, and the center layer variable is now a new system variable that can be changed to specify a specific layer at the command prompt using the new layer option of Centerline and Centermark command. So you type Centerline or Centermark and it will select the first line, or it will prompt for a layer. On the ribbon in the Annotate tab, the Centerlines panel has a drop down that now says use current layer, or you can specify a specific layer for them. So when we go back to AutoCAD, right, I've got a circle right here. This is an excellent one. And we go to our Annotate and our Centerline, and I can actually specify this to use a different layer if I want. So I can go a area, Centermark, pick the Centermark, done. So now we have capabilities in here to put it on a specific layer. We didn't have that before.